Section 3, number 6, you're going to find the value of x that makes R parallel to S. So let's take a look. The two angles here look like they're both corresponding. No, not corresponding, consecutive. Consecutive interior. And we know that if consecutive interior are true, converse, then the lines here are also going to be parallel. So for that being said, that means 2x plus x has to be equal to 180. Okay, if that is true, consecutive interior angle converse proves that the two lines will be parallel. So 2x plus x is 3x equals to 180. Divide by 3 to both sides. We get x is equal to 60. Okay, so this means this is 60 degrees, then this becomes 120 degrees. Then these two are consecutive interior. They add up to 180, proving that R is parallel to S. Let's take a look at this one. Here's the angle here. Here's the angle here. They're both here. They are alternate exterior. Okay, they're both on the outside, and converse, trying to prove that they're parallel. Okay, that means that angle X has to be congruent, so equal to 90 minus X. Okay, if that is true, based on the alternate exterior angle converse, R is parallel to S. So let's add X to both sides, leaving you this cancels, leaving you with 2x on the left equals to 90. Divide 2 to both sides, you get x is equal to 45. So this is 45 degrees. Then 90 minus x is also going to be 45 degrees. These two are congruent or the same. Therefore, R is parallel to S. Okay, let's take a look at this one. All right. So this is inside. So this is interior. And they're alternating. Okay, interior angles are converse. That means that angle 2x plus 20 is equal to 3x. If these two are equal, that proves that R is parallel to S. So subtract 2x to both sides so we can get x alone. 20 is equal to just x. So there you go. If we plug it in, 3 times 20, which is 60. Then we have 40 here, which is also 60. Since these two angles are the same value, based on alternate interior angles converse, it proves that line R is parallel to line S. There you go.